Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. I'm Nora Truscello with Into Intuition, and I just realized I forgot to mute something, so deal with my craziness, people. There we go. Today's meditation is on physical clearing. So we did the mental and emotional, we did the spiritual. Today we're doing the physical. Please like, share, or subscribe to my channels. Let's get started. We start with our prayer of protection, and then we go into our guided meditation. We have our silent period. Then we end the silent period with the chime, and we close with the 23rd Psalm. If you know any of the prayers, please say them with me. If you don't, please repeat them in your mind. It is important for the protection. Let us begin. Exhale as much as you can before taking in that first big deep breath. And as you exhale, close your eyes and relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Let us scan our bodies now, just coming from the top of our head to the bottom of our feet. Let's just scan and feel for any disturbances, any tightnesses. And if we should notice one, let us just bring our attention to it and ask it to relax. Scan from the top of your head all the way to your feet. Pay attention to your jaw. Very often people ignore the jaw. There's tension there. For a lot of us, not all of us. Okay, now let's take another deep breath and just blow out anything that's remaining. And bring our attention up to our third eye, which is between our eyebrows on our forehead and the top of our head, the crown chakra. Notice there's movement there. The more meditations you do, the more conscious you are of these energies. That movement and that energy is always there. We just feel it when we bring our attention to it. It's a lot like the intuitive footprint. You feel it if you're paying attention to it. Now let's follow this beautiful energy that's coming in from the divine, coming in from our God, into our body and out our feet. And as we follow it, let us notice how our bodies begin to separate. We separate more into spiritual, mental, and physical, connected but distinct from each other. So follow this beautiful energy into our heads, and let's start noticing how we're separating. You might even feel like you're moving away from your physical body, which is a fine sensation. There are so many ways to feel this. Into our neck as we unwind and separate our bodies, physical, mental, and spiritual. We continue to move into our shoulders, our trunk, arms and hands, legs and feet. Still grounded to the earth, still connected to God, the divine, that which sources us with everything. Let us travel back now with our consciousness to the top of our head and sort of look down at yourself and notice there are three paths, three kind of tunnels: the emotional, the spiritual, and the physical. Today we're going to clear the physical. Notice in your hand You've just been placed this beautiful angelic cloth from the divine, whose purpose is to heal and clear any physical ailments. Move into that part of your body, that which is the physical, and start using this cloth. And just wipe down anything that looks like there's a disturbance, feels like it. You just sense something's off. Wipe it, knowing the divine is giving us an opportunity to heal, and He's caring for us fully, taking away these ailments. And let us stay quietly as we heal using God's divine cloth. Now take that beautiful cloth and pass it back up into heaven with an immense amount of thankfulness and gratitude for being able to release some of the physical pain that is with you. Knowing at any time you can come back and request to continue the healing on yourself. As we come to a close and we pull our bodies back into one, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Very often you will hear Chris and I speak about getting out our magic erasers when we're doing prayers for healing. Basically, that is what we're talking about. Those are our magic erasers that we get from God and we wipe it away. Please join us tonight at 9 p.m. We stream live to Facebook. We will answer any questions to those who are registered inside the webinar. Those on Facebook we try to get to, but it's really hard. So if you have a question that you want answered, make sure you register for the webinar and jump on in. And I'll see you tomorrow. We have 2 more days of this beautiful healing of our physical being. So don't worry if you didn't get every little spot cleaned up. I still have to work on the arthritis in my pinky. I will be doing that. You guys have a great and blessed day. See you tonight. Bye-bye.